That's not what she said.
She said, if you're invested in our wedding, we'd love to have
Just
you.
read it again.
You're gonna post this online?
Of course I'm gonna post it online.
Why?
Because it's funny. Look at how my perception of good weather has changed. Oh, there's a patch of sun right here. Now, when it's not raining, I consider it good weather. I think it's sad what 7 days of clouds can do to a person. Are we gonna see more sun today, Bonnie?
It can't rain all the time.
I wish the rain would stop just once.
It can't rain all the time.
Eric?
Same bridge as yesterday. And look, there's Philadelphia. I have only a few minutes before the ceremony begins, so I'm going to try and capture something from the air. This is pretty nerve-wracking, but I'm gonna start slowly going up. This is exactly what I wanted to talk about. Look at this stability. Look how beautifully, look how amazingly straight up this drone goes. This drone is the most stable one to pull off a shot like this, going straight up as if the camera was mounted on rails or on a vertical slider. Call from Poland. Grandma calling from Poland. Congratulations.
Dziękuję, babciu. Do widzenia. Dziękuję.
Jako mąż i jako żona Ewelin i Mariusz Czopla. Wielkie brawa dla naszej przepięknej